why you're not gonna die when I adjust your neck. So our adjustments are about 5 pounds of pressure. A baby being delivered is about 75 pounds of pressure. And you're gonna say, yeah, but we're not as mobile as that. Yeah, agreed. There's still a drastic difference between 75 pounds of pressure and 5 pounds of pressure. You need about 120 pounds of pressure to internally decapitate you, which is the extreme. For me to hurt you or to physically injure you is so out of the realm, it's pretty safe. I also think I'm pretty good at it.